Yep. Alright, we're showing, I already got half a part. I'm taking a piece of crap I bought off of eBay and I'm converting it to something that's a little better for the reproductive speedo. So we just got done stripping the lights here out of this repop dash. And the original dash, is that over the blaster? That's alright. So we're taking the clip out of here. So this is a rubber mounted speedo, which is not supposed to be in this dash. Bolt fell out. Alright, let's hold this thing in there now. Oh, there's a wire in there. Give me a little small socket over there. That'll work. There. Can't work with that. I can't work under these conditions. So this is the correct dash for a 50s. Actually, it's the original base plate. That's off there. Alright. What's this here? Light fit in there. This is broken. This is crap. This probably still works, but they got an early wire and a late thing. That don't exactly look right. We'll steal this. That looks perfectly fine over there. Wood junk. Okay, what do they do over here? They halfway unlock the power bolt. This is the original Harley switch, surprisingly. Whenever you see any kind of numbers right here in the tumbler, that makes a genuine Harley switch. So now that's worth $100, that piece of crap. So the original dash plates are a nice rolled edge all the way around for strength, so they don't bend and break. When they went to a 5-light dash, they cut it right down flat right here, and this is just flat sheet metal, so it just bends right here and breaks off, like, especially through all the light switch holes. And the aftermarket ones are made like modern stuff. So if you want an original dash that doesn't break, you gotta buy these. This is obviously a 2 light bulb version. And this was probably had a neutral switch up in here, which is 59, first year of 59. So this is probably actually a 59 to 61 dash plate. And 59 to 60. So I guess 61 is when this 3 light came out like that. So this is a, this would be correct, my panhead, my 59. This is a 40 style dash or speedometer. See, it's made for rubber mount instead of solid screws. The original ones are solidly mounted with screws right there. Stupid rubber. What did I do with the rubber? Did I lose it?
So the other one?
Probably lost it. No, I had it laying here in the box, I think, so it probably went bye-bye someplace. Oh, there it is. Still connected to this one. There's a little small E-clip that I took off. Went someplace.
There it is, next to the screwdriver.
There it is. Rusty piece of crap. There, that goes back to that. That speedo's ready for somebody else to use. Now this one they put a screw in here. Not the right size. I guess it works because it's a small diameter. I'm not going to use it. Crap. Yeah, that's junk. This somebody wants a speedo. Okay, so now this one here, you're supposed to have little 1/4-inch screws that go in here, or number 12. They're probably number 12. It goes in a stock. It holds that in there. On the stock speedo, which this is not. It looks the part though, that's all that matters. There's supposed to be a chrome dome nut on there instead of this piece of crap. Quality stuff. But for mock-up it'll work. And that's when the bolts goes through here to hold it together, like that. And this is an extra wire. Put that into this one, see if it'll fit. Appears that somebody modified it. I don't know who that would have been. Let's see, where's that new fancy tools I got? There we go, fancy tools. We're supposed to test these things out and see if they work. I don't know. Is it working?
Seems to.
Okay, good. It's my Crip next tool, or however you say it.
Okay.
It's that European name over
Sponsored by them.
there. Well, they gave me a tool. Does that mean it's sponsored?
Sure.
I thought it was a testing to see if it was worth a squat. This isn't quite the right one for this, but it's close enough. It's in there now. See, now it's a dash with wiring. That makes it worth more money, right?
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. Now, the aftermarket dash covers never have a plate cover right here, covering that hole up. And most all the original ones have a cover right there. That's a quick way to identify one. The other way is you see an RBE in here, it's definitely repop. And if you don't have all the reinforcements up under here, it's repop. That's all you get with the repop. Alright, so the air quit moving. Where's the cover?
It's in the blaster cabinet.
In the blaster?
Mm-hmm.
Master blaster? There it is. It looks about the same, except it has the plate over the side. Now they do reproduce that, so they are available. Other than that, they look about the same. I don't know why they painted black on the inside. Why would you do that? I can understand black on the outside, but on the inside? This is actually pretty straight. A couple of nicks here and there. It's just got that ugly chrome on it. It's got appropriate bends and bangs, and I'm not sure how they did that. Obviously they bent this in right here. Being an original Harley metal, it's pretty stout. Bend it back. Oh, piece of crap. We'll fix that problem. There we go.
You got some of it off.
Looks a little better. Chrome doesn't like to come off very easy. We got rid of the rust. Now they can knock out the dents because you can see them better. For now, you just paint it and WD it so it doesn't rust any further and leave it until you need it. Then you fix it. Can you call me? Beep, 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 beep.
Hello, I hope you're not sleeping.
Uh-oh.
You need some help on removing a little screw
Look at
in the
this.
fourth brace.
No.
The brace off. So
No, he'll hear us messing on the machine.
or smaller, the metric. So I can come by
There you go.
tomorrow or tonight.
Here's what it looks like now.
Let me know.
Now you got a nice stock looking dash.
Thank you. Andy, thank you.
No.